Can you get compensation if the accident was your fault? Accidents happen unexpectedly, and when they do, determining fault is crucial to understanding your rights and responsibilities. In New York, even if you were partially at fault for a car accident, you may still be entitled to compensation. This is due to New York's comparative negligence rule, which allows victims to recover damages based on the percentage of fault assigned to them. So, how does this work, and what should you know? New York's comparative negligence rule. New York follows a pure comparative negligence system. Unlike states with contributory negligence laws, where even being 1% at fault would bar you from recovery, New York's system is more lenient. Under pure comparative negligence, you can still receive compensation even if you were mostly at fault. However, your total compensation will be reduced by the percentage of fault attributed to you. For example, if you were deemed 30% responsible for an accident, you can still recover 70% of your damages. Whether the case is resolved through an insurance claim or in court, your fault percentage is calculated and will directly affect the amount you can claim. Steps to protect your rights. Even if you share responsibility for the accident, there are steps you can take to safeguard your rights. Gathering evidence at the scene, cooperating with authorities, and consulting a lawyer can be crucial in minimizing your assigned fault percentage. A thorough collection of photographs, witness statements, and a clear understanding of the events can help strengthen your case and maximize your potential compensation. Consulting with an attorney who understands New York's comparative negligence system is essential to ensure you receive the compensation you deserve. The team at Kucher Law Group has extensive experience handling these cases and can provide valuable guidance. Can you get compensation if you were partially at fault? Yes, even if the accident was partly your fault, you may still be eligible for compensation. New York's comparative negligence rule ensures that victims who bear some responsibility for the accident are not left without financial relief. However, the amount you receive will be proportionate to your degree of fault. It's important to understand that New York is a no-fault insurance state, which means that you can first file a claim through your own insurance for basic economic damages like medical expenses and lost wages, regardless of who caused the accident. These benefits are available without proving fault, but they are limited to economic damages. If your injuries are severe or you incur significant losses that exceed the no-fault coverage, you may need to file a third-party claim or personal injury lawsuit. This is where the comparative negligence rule will come into play. By consulting with an attorney, you can better understand how your fault will be calculated and what options are available to seek additional compensation. Understanding the process. What to do after an accident. Document the scene. Even if you are partially at fault, it's crucial to document the accident thoroughly. Take photos of the scene, gather witness information, and make notes about the conditions that may have contributed to the crash. Report the accident. In New York, it is mandatory to report any accident involving injury, death, or significant property damage. Filing a police report can provide an impartial account of what happened and help establish the facts of the case. Consult an attorney. Even when partially at fault, consulting a lawyer is key. An experienced attorney can review the details of your case, negotiate with insurance companies, and ensure that your rights are protected throughout the process. File a claim. Depending on the severity of your injuries, you may be able to file a no-fault insurance claim or a third-party claim. In either case, your compensation will be affected by the percentage of fault assigned to you, making it essential to have a lawyer represent your interests. Working with an attorney to maximize compensation when involved in an accident where you bear partial responsibility. Working with an attorney is critical. Insurance companies often attempt to increase the fault assigned to claimants to reduce payouts. A skilled attorney will negotiate on your behalf to minimize your assigned fault and ensure you receive a fair settlement. At Kucher Law Group, we understand the complexities of New York's comparative negligence laws and how to navigate them. Whether you need assistance negotiating with insurance companies or pursuing a personal injury lawsuit, our attorneys are here to help you through every step of the legal process. Taking proactive steps and working with an experienced law firm can make all the difference in securing the compensation you deserve, even if you were partly responsible for the accident. If you've been involved in a car accident and are concerned about being partially at fault, don't hesitate to seek legal guidance. Contact Kucher Law Group at 929-563-6780 to schedule a free consultation. Our office is located at 463 Pulaski Street, No. 1C, Brooklyn, New York, 11221, United States, and we are here to help you understand your rights and pursue the compensation you're entitled to.